Look at that. Super nice and fine. Amazing. Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. In this cooking basics video, I'm going to show you how to make your own rice flour at home. It's really easy. You do need a high-speed blender. You could try a regular blender if you have one, but you need a really strong blender to do a good job making it fine enough to work as flour. And I have my Vitamix here. I love this. It's probably my favorite, definitely my favorite blender that I've owned. And this is the Explorian 310 model. It just works amazing. I use it almost every day for smoothies and all kinds of things. And it's fun making my own flour with it as well. If you are gonna make a ton of your own flour with rice, then you might want to get just like a normal mill. Those are can be kind of expensive as well, but this blender does an amazing job. I'll put a link down below in the description box where you can pick up this particular blender that I have. This is not a sponsored video, but that link is an affiliate link. And so we're going to turn this rice into rice flour. Cool thing about making your rice flour at home is there's not going to be any preservatives or anything like that. It's just straight up rice flour. And so we have the rice, and I'm going to take my blender here, and we will just pour that in to the blender. And then I'm going to put my top on. Again, this is the Vitamix blender. If you have like a NutriBullet or if you have the BlendTech, those should all work okay. But if you have like just a normal like store brand or kind of one of the cheaper blenders, it may not work that well, but you can always try it. And then I'm going to just turn this on low, and then eventually I'm going to crank it up to the highest speed. And then once you get to the highest speed, you just let it run for about 30 seconds and it's ready to go. It's that simple. Super awesome. And as you can see, it's super nice and fine and powdery in there. And then I'll just pour it in this bowl. There you go. Look at that. Super nice and fine. Amazing. Home ground rice flour, ready to go in any recipe that calls for rice flour. Super easy to do if you have a nice, powerful blender. Again, if you're not sure if your blender will work, just give it a shot. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up. Down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.